video, I will be vlogging the entire weekend for you to show what my weekend looks like. I woke up really late today because that is what we do on the weekend. I woke up at around 12 and my face is a little bit swollen because it is like that when I wake up. I do have some of the plans for this weekend though, and that's why I thought it would be better if I vlog it. So I need to quickly get ready because I'm going on a brunch with my friend and they will be here in 30 minutes. Yep, so I only have 30 minutes, so I need to get ready, look a little bit more presentable because we're looking crusty, dusty, nasty. So I'm gonna start off by doing my skincare. I've already brushed my teeth, so let's go. I'm not going to pretend like it's delicious. I am already changed and I'm going to start off with my skincare first. I am done with my skincare and I'm just going to do my makeup now. Let me know if I should make like a makeup routine video because I have recently started doing like a really minimal makeup and I am loving how it turns out every single day. So I am thinking of doing that for summers because it is like a really light glowy makeup. So yeah, comment down below if you want to see it. But yeah, I'm just going to start with my makeup because I only have 10 minutes left. Alright guys, so this is my finished look. I'm just wearing a white tank top, this button down, and my denim short. For my hair, I'm just gonna keep it as it is because I think it looks really cute. And I am just taking these glasses and my friends are almost here, so I'm just gonna leave the house now. So we decided to spend the entire day out today. Right now, as I said, we are going for a brunch. I'm really not sure where we're going for yet. I just told them I wanted something sweet for breakfast, so that is what we're gonna be doing. I think we're gonna get some funnel cakes. We are still not sure of the plan as of yet for the entire day, but I will surely be taking you guys along with me. It's just way too bright for me, but I just wanted to show you my makeup. Apparently, the restaurant was closed and the board said they're serving in a festival which was a few blocks away from the current location.
You look so young. I see you hide yourself
festival for so long. Like, we didn't even realize it was like 3 or 4 hours, probably more. It is 8 p.m. right now, and we decided to have dinner in a restaurant as well. We wanted to go to this restaurant. Apparently it's closed. So I have no idea what we're gonna do anymore. This was a really good place, but it's closed, so we have no idea what we're gonna do. So this is my outfit. I'm just wearing a black tank top with this cropped shirt and my blue jeans, and I'm really running late, so let's head out. So first up is for Tino's. I decided to change into my denim shorts because it was so hot out, and we're just kind of looking around, and I needed to get some groceries, so that's why we're here. But next we'll be going to IKEA. Really want one of these plates, but in white, and they don't have any.